Hi guys, this is Moria. I am going to show you that we don't need a bigger camp place because we already made a camp place, a small camp place. It's a mini fireplace. Put your hands like this to make your hands not feel cold. This is a candle type. And if you put fire near it, if you put a matchstick and put it will make a huge sound. It will catch, and the matchstick will catch lot of fire. And if you do it with a pepper and put it near, it's going to immediately catch fire. So, and you can even use this to boil things. Right now, not what my mom is doing. But
దాంట్లోకి ఏమేస్తారు
oil.